Hello scrubbers. Beautiful sunny Wednesday over here. And yes, these are cables that I need to strip again. Well, here is quite a bunch of them, and they are really nice and thick. So, thinner one. And this is gonna be a charity scrubbing again. And this time it will be just a little bit different, because that money will go to two separate non-profit organizations that helps homeless and injured cats. One of them is a non-profit organization, Seltskond Käppadel, and the second one is non-profit organization Paigas. So they are doing exactly the same thing, helping those little cats, and if they are injured or homeless or something like that, they are gonna take them to the vet, gonna get fixed, and they're gonna find a new home for these little cats. So as always, this will take some time to strip those cables. I haven't done any videos quite lately because I do work now in a night shift, and it's quite hard to do something at the day. So, but I have a little bit energy gathered right now, and I'm gonna starting this charity scrubbing. So stay tuned.